What is up, you guys? So I just detangled my hair, and I'm gonna put my wig on today or tomorrow because I have graduation on Saturday and I have to wake up so early so that I can drive to where the graduation is, so you know, back to my school town. It's just 2 hours away, so you know it's gonna be an all-day thing, so I won't have time to do it on Saturday. So I'm either gonna do it today or tomorrow just to get it out the way. So I'm detangling my hair because I don't want to wash it yet. I think I'm gonna wash it like Monday. So I'm just gonna put it in 2 plats. I've been realizing that you really don't have to braid your hair down to put it in under a weave. Like, I don't anymore. I really don't have the time, if I'm being honest. So my hair is now detangled, so I'm just gonna add some gel to it so that I can slick it down out of the way. I think I also have some hair ties. Usually I just put a hair tie on it. 1 second. So yeah, these are the ones I showed you guys in my haul. Can y'all see me? These are the ones I showed y'all in the haul, which I said are really good. I love these. So what I normally do is when I put my hair under my wigs, I braid it for the most part, but sometimes I'm too lazy. I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel around the perimeter so that I can slick it down. Okay, just like that. And then I just get the softer brush it down. If you hear anything, that's my grandma and my little brother in the background. I don't know what they're talking about. So yeah, I put it all the way back here. So I push it all the way back here like this. And then I use the hair tie. And see, what I love about these hair ties is like you can pull them so hard and they won't pop. So yeah, then this part at the back is already detangled, so I don't have to detangle it anymore. I just braid it, you know, as tight as possible. And this works for the girls that don't know how to cornrow their hair. So yeah, put it down like that and do the same with this side. All right, so yeah, like I said, I want to put it all the way back. Like that, and then braid it down as tight as possible. All right, and that's how it looks in the back. Then what I do on the day that I'm gonna put it under my wig cap is I just take both ends and I swivel them around like this, and then you just pin it, and then you put the wig cap on. Girl, you're good. Now I'm just gonna tie it down because I'm gonna take a shower and, you know, let it do what it do. And girl, that's all you need to do. Like, you really don't need to braid your hair down. If you have like, this might be a bit harder if your hair is a bit shorter. It might be, but like, you can make it work. Like, you can even do like 4 plaits instead of 2. Like, sometimes I do that. I'll do like how it was initially, where it was like 2 braids up here, 2 twists up here. I just tighten them, and then you can do the same thing. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower. Guys, I cannot see. That's why I keep going like this, so I can see myself. I am so blind. Anyways, I'm gonna take a quick shower. I already washed my wig. I'm letting, you know, the water, you know, come out of it. But once it's dry, I'm gonna put it on a wig head and show you how I do that if you want to see. All right, you guys, I'm back. And I think my wig is dry for the most part. Well, it's not fully dry, but I'm gonna put it on this wig cap. Like, most of the water has come out, so it's not like dripping wet. And I realized that this thing dries pretty fast. So I flip it over like this, and then I put it back onto the wig. Like so. So like right here, you see, has a bunch of glue residue still left over. It's usually at the flaps that you see them, and like up here. So what I do, I have a spray bottle, and it has like rubbing alcohol in it. I usually use the 90% one, and I just spray it on it like that. Spray it on where the stuff is so it can kind of soak on it like that. I just use like a washcloth, and I just rub it on it to get them off, because it's not cute when it's on there, and it messes with like the next time you're applying it, I noticed. So yeah, use a washcloth you don't want to use again. But you see, you can spray more. And then you just gotta rub it in like a circular motion. And then it comes out. These are mainly where it usually goes. I don't know why. I think maybe because that's where you reapply the glue the most, like right in the middle and at the ear flaps. So yeah, see, the rubbing alcohol just sit right on out. But you have to use like the 90% one because that one's like stronger. I probably should have did this before I washed my wig, just because now that alcohol is seeping into the hair, but honestly it really doesn't matter. I bleached the knot so that it can mat, and then I did spray some, like, I normally spray lace tint on my hair. I used this one, the lace tint in the shade Golden. I feel like it lasts even through washes because it doesn't look like it needs any, but I'm still gonna retouch like the areas that I used the rubbing alcohol. And that like lets it match my skin. It dries pretty quickly, like it's not coming off. Alright, so see, it looks, this is more dark skin friendly, this lace tint. But it is a lot better. Anyways, I'm gonna part the hair in the middle. I'm gonna part it and then come back to you guys when it dries a bit more so that we can, you know, flatten it out with the hot comb. And I think I'm gonna curl it, and I'm gonna use like, what are those things again? The foam rollers. I'm gonna use those on it, so I'll come back later and show you how that looks. Alright you guys, I'm back. So I thought my wig would be dry in time for me to do it this vlog, but I think I'm gonna just do it tomorrow because I don't like blow drying wigs. So I like to just let it air dry and then I do it afterwards. I should have washed it yesterday, but I forgot. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here because I didn't do much today, but you know, clean up a bit, detangle my hair, all that. I have some pizza right now that I'm about to eat and watch a TV show. And then I'm trying to think again like what to get everyone for Christmas. So I'm gonna sit on that because I hate getting gifts. Hate getting them because when you buy them every year, you're like, what next? Like, what next to buy? But yeah, so I'm gonna close this vlog out here. Sorry for not posting these past 2 days, but I really didn't have any content, so I felt like it would have been like really boring. So yeah, I will see you in my next video tomorrow where we'll style the wig. Okay, bye. Oh, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, click the bell so you know whenever I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.